Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You must confirm legal ownership before taking any action. Gather proof such as a receipt, original packaging, the tablet serial/IMEI, and the Google account email tied to the device. Once you have that, sign into the account owner's Google profile or prepare to contact the manufacturer or carrier. This ensures you follow authorized recovery channels. Make sure to document ownership clearly, because service centers or carriers will require it to assist with account recovery or device service. Start with provider-approved methods. Use Google's account recovery and find My Device to sign in, ring, lock, or remotely erase the tablet if you control the Google account. If that fails, contact the device manufacturer or an authorized service center and provide ID plus proof of purchase. They can assist with account verification or a factory reset under policy. Once done, ask about data recovery options and whether in-warranty service can preserve any service-covered data. If official recovery is not possible, a factory reset via the tablet's recovery mode or through manufacturer service will restore access, but will erase local data. Do this only after confirming ownership and exhausting account recovery. Once reset, sign back in with the original Google account to avoid lock problems. If you encounter activation lock or account verification, return to the manufacturer or carrier with documentation. Service staff can guide account unlock steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.